Welcome to Product Critique, where we break down the best products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about the best driving range golf bag, the Sunday Golf Lightweight Sunday Golf Bag with Stand. If you're someone who loves to hit the driving range, play on par 3 courses, or just wants a simple, easy-to-carry golf bag for a quick round, this might just be the perfect choice for you. The Sunday Golf Lightweight Sunday Golf Bag weighs in at only 1.95 pounds, making it one of the lightest golf bags on the market. It's designed for golfers who don't want to be bogged down by a heavy, bulky bag when they're out practicing or playing a casual round. Whether you're hitting a few balls at the range or walking a short executive course, this bag gives you the freedom to move easily without the strain. With a height of 31.5 inches, the Sunday Golf Bag is compact yet spacious enough to comfortably hold 6 to 7 clubs. This makes it ideal for a day at the driving range or a short round on a par 3 course. The bag comes with 2 dividers to keep your clubs organized, preventing them from clanging together. It also features a valuables pocket, which is lined with velour for the safe storage of your wallet, phone, or keys. This small but thoughtful addition ensures your essentials stay protected while you focus on your game. One of the standout features of this bag is the built-in stand. It allows you to easily set the bag down without worrying about it tipping over, giving you easy access to your clubs when you need them. The stand is durable and works well even on uneven terrain, so you can rest assured it will hold up no matter where you play. Plus, it has a convenient carry handle and strap, making it even easier to transport from the car to the course. The bag's design is sleek and functional, featuring a simple yet stylish look with a solid color and minimalistic structure. It's made from durable materials, ensuring it will last through many rounds without showing signs of wear. The compact size makes it easy to store in the trunk of your car, and it doesn't take up much space, which is a bonus if you're looking to maximize storage for other gear. Overall, the Sunday Golf Lightweight Sunday Golf Bag is the ideal solution for golfers who want a convenient, portable, and functional bag for the driving range, par 3, or executive courses. It offers just enough space for your essentials, is incredibly lightweight, and features a solid stand for easy use. If you're tired of lugging around a heavy bag for a quick practice session or short round, this bag could be the perfect match for your needs. That wraps up our review of the Sunday Golf Lightweight Sunday Golf Bag. If you're looking for a no-fuss, lightweight bag for those days when you just want to get out and play without the hassle, this bag is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews like this one. See you in the next video.